English Paper 2 Section E 56મો પ્રશ્ન. રાઇટ અ પેરેગ્રાફ ઇન અબાઉટ 125 વર્ડ્સ ઓન ધ ફોલોઈંગ એની વન. એટલે ગમે તે એક વિષય ઉપર 125 શબ્દનો ફકરો લખવાનો છે. એટલે કે એસે રાઇટિંગ છે કે જેના 6 માર્ક છે, 3 ટોપિક આપ્યા છે, એની નીચે મુદ્દા આપેલ છે, ગમે તે એક વિષય પર લખવાનું છે. પહેલું, પોલ્યુશન ઇન સિટીઝ. Pollution in cities is a major problem, with air, noise, and water pollution being the most common types. Industrial activities, vehicle emissions, and improper waste disposal are the primary causes of urban pollution. Air pollution from factories and vehicles can lead to respiratory diseases and other health issues. Noise pollution from traffic and construction can cause stress, sleep disturbances, and hearing loss. Water pollution from industrial waste and sewage contaminates drinking water and harms aquatic ecosystems. To prevent pollution, cities can promote public transportation, implement stricter regulations on industrial emissions, and encourage the use of renewable energy sources. Raising awareness about the importance of reducing, reusing, and recycling is also crucial for creating a cleaner urban environment. બીજો છે, my preparation for board exam. I will be appearing for my 10th standard board examination this March. I have already prepared myself well for the tough schedule. I have prepared a timetable and I follow it so that I am free from any stress. Since I can study and remember well, early in the morning I get up at 5 a.m. and revise all the difficult subjects. This improves my retention. I have adopted several styles of learning subjects. In maths and science, I usually remember by writing and drawing diagrams and flowcharts. Languages can be best revised through concentrated reading. I also take help and advice of my parents and teachers. I take light food which is easy to digest. I eat plenty of salads and fruits. After my morning revision, I go for walk or exercise. I also spend time talking to my parents and friends. In the evening, I play for some time and also watch TV for an hour. I am confident of getting good marks. ત્રીજો વિષય છે, my state ગુજરાત. ગુજરાત, a vibrant and thriving state on India's western coast, is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, rapid economic growth, and diverse landscape. Its history dates back to the ancient Indus Valley civilization with significant archaeological sites like Lothal and Dholavira. Known as the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gujarat holds a pivotal place in India's independence movement. The state is a major industrial and commercial hub, contributing significantly to India's economy with strong sectors in textiles, petrochemicals, and diamond polishing. Beyond its economic progress, Gujarat captivates visitors with its colorful festivals like Navratri, the unique white salt desert of the Rann of Kutch, and the last remaining habitat of the Asiatic lion at Gir National Park. Its delectable cuisine, including specialties like dhokla and thepla, adds to the state's remarkable charm. In the recent years, Gujarat has made a tremendous progress in different fields. It has built dams, canals, and check dams for irrigation. Within a few years, whole Gujarat will get water from Sardar Sarovar. Not a single village is without electrification. All the villages and towns are connected with roads. The transportation has become very easy due to good roads. In the field of primary education, Gujarat government has established different projects. Through these projects, the illiteracy has decreased. The villagers have realized the importance of education. The education for girls is free in our state. 57મો પ્રશ્ન. Draft an email on behalf of Monali Vyas to her friend Soham Patel on sohu1123@gmail.com, inviting him and his sister to her birthday party. ઈમેલ કે જે મોનાલી વ્યાસ તરફથી તેના મિત્ર સોહમ પટેલને લખવાનો છે કે જેની અંદર તેની બર્થડે પાર્ટીમાં તેને અને તેની બહેનને આવવા માટે આમંત્રણ આપતું હોય. જવાબ: સૌથી પહેલાં ફ્રોમમાં આવશે monu@123, કેમ કે ફ્રોમ માટે મોનાલી વ્યાસનો કોઈ પણ જાતનો ઈમેલ આઈડી આપેલ નથી, તે આપણી રીતે આપણે બનાવી શકીએ છીએ. 2 sohu1123@gmail.com એ પ્રશ્નમાં આપેલ છે, એટલે એના સિવાય બીજો કોઈ ઉપયોગ કરશો તો માર્ક જશે. પછી આવશે સબ્જેક્ટ, બર્થડે પાર્ટી ઇન્વિટેશન. ડિયર સોહમ, આઈ હોપ યુ એન્ડ યોર સિસ્ટર આર ડુઈંગ વેલ. I am writing to invite you and your sister to my birthday party, which is on 21st June 2025 at 8 p.m. The party will be held at The Fun. I would be delighted if you could both come and celebrate with me. There would be music, dancing and delicious food. It would be great to have you there. Please let me know if you can make it by 19th June 2025. Looking forward to see you both. Your friend મોનાલી વ્યાસ. 57માં જ પ્રશ્નમાં અથવામાં છે રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગ. એની સૂચના છે, રાઇટ અ રિપોર્ટ ઓન ધ વેલકમ ઓફ ધ ન્યૂ પ્રિન્સિપલ ઇન યોર સ્કૂલ ઇન અબાઉટ 60 વર્ડ્સ. એટલે કે તમારી શાળામાં જે નવા પ્રિન્સિપલ આવતા એના વેલકમ માટે અંદાજે 60 શબ્દમાં એક રિપોર્ટ લખવાનો રહેશે. સૌથી પહેલાં રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગમાં ઉપર લખવાનું આવશે સબ્જેક્ટ. સબ્જેક્ટમાં લખશું વેલકમ ફંક્શન ફોર શ્રી સુમિત મહેતા પ્રિન્સિપલ, ફૂલ સ્ટોપ. પછી નીચે આવશે જમણી બાજુ ડેટ, June 10, 2025, અને એની નીચે આવશે જગ્યાનું નામ રાજકોટ. હવે આગળ, લાસ્ટ Monday a special function was organized in our school to welcome Shri Sumit Mehta, our new principal from the academic year 2025. The function was held in the assembly hall. It was attended by all the students, teachers and staff of the school. The trustees and committee members of the school were also present. The chairman, Shri Purohit, was the chief guest. Shri Modi, the secretary, introduced and welcomed Shri Mehta. In his speech, Shri Mehta spoke about the importance of education and discipline in life. He spoke about his plans of making the school the best in the town. Our vice principal, Mrs. Pandya, gave a vote of thanks. 58મો પ્રશ્ન, ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ ધ પિક્ચર ઇન અબાઉટ 10 સેન્ટેન્સીસ. એટલે આની અંદર એક પિક્ચર આપેલ હશે અને તેને 10 વાક્યોમાં તમારે તમારી રીતે વર્ણન કરવાનું છે. This picture shows a picnic scene in a park. A family is enjoying a day out together. On the left side, 2 young boys are playing with a ball, while a girl is sitting beside them. In the center, a woman is sitting on a bench under a tree reading a book. There is a picnic blanket on the ground with food and drinks. The sun is shining brightly in the sky and birds are flying around. The park is full of trees and greenery, which makes the atmosphere pleasant. The family seems to be having a peaceful and happy time. The picture captures a beautiful moment of a family enjoying nature. It highlights the importance of spending quality time with loved ones in a relaxing environment.